Hi, I'm Marna and this is the Dolls Rescue Channel and I have some Ali mail. I have some news about Aliexpress that I do want to share with you that I am not happy about. I have a couple of dolls, maybe you saw me open them on my channel. One was a pink-haired doll that the hair came in choppy. Another was a icy Blythe doll that are more expensive, her leg was messed up. And then I got an outfit, I got a pair of socks instead of an outfit, a pair of socks for 18-inch doll rather than an outfit for a Blythe. They were all from the same seller. I buy a lot from Blythe Homes. I'm probably not going to buy from Blythe Homes again because we have been arguing back and forth. And what they're doing now on Ali, you need to be aware. If you have a problem with something, immediately take photos, film yourself opening them, take photos and get on it. They've changed the policy from 90 days to 15. So what the sellers do is ask for things. Like I have already sent the link to the sale and photos and they keep asking for them. And what they're trying to do is run out those 15 days so they do not have to refund me. Some of this is from Blythe Homes, which I will not be buying from again, probably ever. But unless they do me right and refund my money, I won't be. But let's see what I did get. Oh, I have a problem. She's supposed to be for a custom I'm selling, and I can tell you right now, burgundy hair. I absolutely love a redhead. I mean, I love red hair. My aunt had red hair and to the burgundy side, and when she was older, she actually dyed at burgundy, and I loved her. Her name was Sylvia. Aunt Sylvia. And this is going to be a chubby Blythe. She has the purple eyes, the brown eyes, amber, and pink. But look at this hair. Oh my goodness. But she looks right and tight and everything's good. When you buy an icy doll, their heads they're more upright, but they are loose on the doll, and you have to tighten it around here with rubber bands if it bothers you. All right, I am happy about that. Let me tell you, I am ecstatic. Let me open this carefully because I don't want to cut anything, and I know what one thing is. Well, I think I do. This. I love. Okay, here we go. I'm like, there's nothing in These are T-pieces for the eye mechanism in a Blythe doll. I got extra. I do not anticipate those breaking, but if they did, I would have to order them and wait forever for them to come or pay extra to the sellers who buy them on Aliexpress and then sell them in the USA. I love all Blythe dolls. I mean all Blythe dolls. I have the minis, petites, middies, the neos, full size, chubbies, and boys that I bought as boys. And I also have the cheap ones, the $10 Blythe dolls. I absolutely love them. And I thought I would share with you, let's pull her out. I won't be doing this straight away. I have a long line of dolls waiting to be cleaned up and fixed up and have a custom and get some clothes. So I won't be doing it right away, but I wanted to share these with you. Not everybody wants to spend what a Blythe doll costs, and I understand that, especially if you don't have one and you don't know if you'll really like them. Let me tell you about these little girls. I am going to leave her headband on because I'm not getting to her right away. These are $10 shipped. If you buy from the right seller, you can get them for $15 and less, but I get them from the guy who sells them for $10. It's actually $9.99. And they're just cute little dolls. They're made with the little click legs. Let's see if I can bend one. Do it very carefully. click and bend legs. Their arms go up and down and out, and their heads turn. That's, oh no, and their waist, like the original dolls. Uh-oh. Don't want to break her. There we go. Sometimes these dolls are stiff, and it just scares me. Anyway, I have used these dolls. If you go back in my older videos, I did a Cindy Lou Who with a doll that looked just like this. I have done a Kat Von Blythe with a doll like this. I've done some other customs, and what I thought I would do, and they wear the original Barbie shoes for the small feet and the high heel. Those are easy to find and cheap enough when you do. I thought what I would do is take this doll through the steps of a customization with the sleepy eyes. These eye chips you do have to drill out, and they have really, see their eyelashes? Boy, those are worse yet. But I changed those eyelashes. I can show you how I dig those out and dress her. And for $10, you have a really fun, whimsical doll. That's why I bought her. All right, let me set this over here and see what else we got very, very, very carefully. Ooh, that feels like something's right there. These are really cute dolls though, and once you customize them, they customize as well as any other Blythe doll. How's that? I can't get this open, and I just want to be so careful. I have cut things before, and I am heavy-handed, and I am usually a just cut it and go, what I learned. Okay, these are, well, I didn't order this. Oh, yes, I did, and it's not what I thought. Okay, it's just a little, I'm gonna have to go look at that. It's just a little wolf necklace. I thought it was a wolf, like 3D, like could be a dog for a mini Blythe, but it's not. I didn't pay that much for it, but it is disappointing when that happens. All right, let's see what else I got. You know, Aliexpress, I order a lot from there. They're inexpensive, and most of the time you get exactly what you ordered, and you're thrilled, and most of the time I'm like, wow, that's really nice for the price. Sometimes, however, you get, and usually it's just a misunderstanding. I'm going to show you this on this doll. It's really cute. I've been buying these little coats. I have a reason for them. I'm going to have to tear this open, I think. This is getting kind of long. Yep, just tear it open. But these are really soft. They're just a couple bucks and worth the money. We're going to just stick that on her so you can see how cute and whimsical it is. You know, you look at it and you think, oh, those stripes, that's just childish, and it's just not right. It's not the right scale, blah, blah, blah. It's a little big on her. Oh, can't get it. Oh, I'm fumbling today. There we go. Pull it up on her arms, and there we go. There we go. And there she is. Isn't that cute? It's whimsical. And you can get away with a lot with the Blythe dolls because they are so whimsical. Those are on Aliexpress. Oh, look what she got with that. I hardly ever get a free gift, let me tell you. And she has the right feet for these. She has some glass slippers. Hello, Cinderella. All right, there you go. Shoes and a coat. I do know what this is. We went to the Dragon Fest, Darren and I and my stepson, Orion, and they had these eggs, and I absolutely loved them. You know, why buy something, and I did buy one, why buy something for $5 when you can make a bunch and have them, you know, for $40 or so by the time you buy all the pieces to put them together? Look at these. I got eggs, and the three of us are going to make dragon eggs and see if we can figure them out. You know what? I'm not going to open that because I can't find the end, and I'm not going to fool around anymore. Anyway, I think I got a dozen. Looks like more than a dozen, doesn't it? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 20. I got 20. So that's going to be fun. We're going to use fingernail polish, and we'll see how that goes. Oh, I love these. Every now and again, I do a collab with someone, and the Blythes need a fancier shoe or a higher heel, and I buy these every once in a while. Aliexpress, they're about $3. They look really cute. I will tell you, I take a cup of water, I heat it up in my microwave for a minute or two, usually two. I take a pair of small pliers, like for jewelry, heat that up and pull this as tight as I can. I have it, then I put it on the doll's foot and I make it click, because that is too small and you're never going to get it without heating it up. So there's a little tip for you. And one more item. What did I get? I love an Aliexpress haul, especially when it goes well. And I want to thank you for watching, and you can leave a comment on, do you buy from Aliexpress? And are you always satisfied? Oh, we've been going to the Ren fairs. We plan on going to a bunch next year. We had so much fun. We went to 4 this year. One was the Dragon Fest. Oh, you only got, is this only one? It is. Well, that's disappointing. These are ear cuffs. They go on your ear. This goes behind your ear. This goes in front of your ear. And this is like a elf tip. I thought there were 2. I'm going to have to look at that, but I think I paid less than $4, so I'm fine with it if I have to buy another one. Those are expensive. Let me set this here so you can see everything I did get. And thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue channel. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.